this is what we found at the roof. It is the place where the satellite was, and all the water make a damage on the deck, on the decking. Plus, the gutter over there is sending the water straight to the corner, and it looked pretty bad. So I'm pretty sure the water is leaking through the corner between the gutter and where the shingles meet the gutter. This roof had no felt paper at all. They just put it here on the hip, but nothing on the roof. You can see it's no felt paper at all. Flashing metal, the edge of the roof. So let's see how it looks. Let's see. Oh wow, it's completely wet. A lot of water getting into there. See, it's completely wet. You can see it's leaking. Inside it's wet, completely wet. Let's see. You see there? Oh my God, it's a lot of water there. See? So all this water is running from the soffit. See? Oh wow. Through the walls here. Through the walls. And go to the ceiling and make a damage. Okay. Let's find out how it looks pretty bad. Like you can see, it's completely rotten.